Alright, it's time. Got the Classic 5 here, and I'm gonna take it all apart.
Chicken head man. I love chicken head. Kills chicken, babe.
I find that I have so many projects going on at once that I generally keep project parts in Ziploc bags so that I can keep them together and I'm not always hunting for the thing I kicked under my chair. So, there we go. I don't have a suitable tool for taking knobs off, so I'm going to try my 5-in-1 and another scraper here, putty knife. That'll do. There we go. I think I'm going to take off the tuners first. So I really like these tuners, but they don't have super high resolution from what I can tell. Sometimes I'm turning and it doesn't go, so I am happy to replace them. And I ended up with locking tuners, so I'm kind of excited about that. And another bag for this sort of stuff. Okay, there we go. Since I'm replacing the tuners entirely, I'm going to knock these ferrules out. Don't know exactly how I'm going to do that. Maybe if I can find a bolt. That might work.
When you kill chicken, babe, say me the chicken.
Shown up. That'll do it. I'm going to be doing a new string tree also, so this guy goes away. I'll put him and his screw in a screw bag. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a lot of work on the neck, so I'll be taking this guy off also. There you have it. Alright, so this is coming off on some of the essential screw spots. I'm using a screwdriver, even though I would much prefer going faster and just drilling everything out. I don't want to do anything to mess up the threads. So I am removing all of this stuff with a screwdriver.
I love her too.
So this block is not near as massive as the one I'm going to replace it with. So I'm very excited about putting a heavy steel block on. Alright, these I can take out with a drill.
I declare I'll do. I'll tell Mom.
I'm replacing all of my wiring, so I don't mind cutting things as I go.
When you kill chicken,
I'm also replacing the strap buttons with strap locks. Essentially, I'm replacing everything. Okay, so I'm replacing the pots and the five-way switch, but I am going to be using the neck and the middle pickup still, the Duncan design. So what I'm going to do is, for now, I'm going to preserve the wire, and I'm just going to cut these. Alright, I need to mark these before I take them off.
when you kill chicken, babe.
Everything else on this is just going to stay on it because I'm replacing the pick guard and everything else. Alright, so there you have it. A bag of stuff I'm not going to use. And these pieces right here are going to be my new guitar, along with a few others. So, stay tuned. I'm excited to put this build together, and I've been collecting parts for quite a while now, and I'm pretty excited for how it's hopefully going to turn out, but time will tell and we'll see what I did. So, stay tuned. If you want to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and like this video just because. Thanks. See you next time.